Hey class, Mr. Fino here. These are your directions slash attendance for Friday, August 21st. So if you go to Schoology, courses, say second or fourth period, depending on what class you're in, and you go to the materials section, you'll see at the top, August 20th or the 21st, this is the work for today. And typically this will be where your work is organized by week, but to access the work, you just need to take a look at this, and you could make it bigger by clicking this box here and then follow the directions. So it says first go to Edpuzzle and watch the video with today's date. So you're looking for that video, August 20th / 21st. This will count for your attendance. So when you click on the Edpuzzle, I might already be logged in, but I want to show you how to log in because that was causing a lot of issues yesterday. Your account's going to look like this, and you're going to make sure you pick August 20th / 21st. But if you don't have an account yet, it's going to look like, or you're not logged in. Here's what you do, and follow these steps exactly. This is only going to work if you're connected to our Google Classroom already as well. So make sure if you're not, you do that. So you'll click Login. I'm a student, and then sign in with Google. And then you'll put in your SLUSD email and password. I'm a teacher, so I'm gonna just sign in and show you what the Edpuzzle looks like. Okay, so when you get to Edpuzzle, again, it'll look like this. And so make sure you watch that first video. It's gonna stop along, well, the first video won't, but when you get to these next ones, I'll explain it. All right, so back to the schedule. It says next thing, second, if you don't understand the directions that you just watched, join Mr. Fino in his Zoom room. So you can go there, ask questions, clarification, whatever, right? But if you already do understand what you're doing, you go straight to the next one, which is clicking the HyperDoc and working for the rest of the period. So the HyperDoc's here, but it's also right below the schedule. So here it is. You can, again, blow it up with that box. Cave painting intro week. Here are the learning targets. I will learn about an example of cave art in South Africa, and I will consider one interesting fact about a 2-part video on cave art. So if you read these directions, it's really just saying you're going to watch 2 videos about cave paintings in South Africa. Make sure you watch part 1 and then part 2. Okay. I just showed you how to log on to Edpuzzle, so that shouldn't be an issue. So if you click this, it's going to take you to Edpuzzle. And again, make sure you watch part 1 first, and then you watch part 2. So again, it looks like this. You watch part 1, and then you watch part 2. Okay. Okay, so there's one more slide. So if you click to the next slide, it's just to enter this Padlet and respond to the prompt. Now make sure, again, you've logged into Padlet with your SLUSD email and password. If you haven't done that yet, you're gonna have to click sign up with Google, SLUSD email and password, then select basic. Okay, but when you enter the Padlet, it looks like this. We already done this a couple times, or at least once. So you can see this has already been going for a bunch of my classes, but add a post, you're just responding to the question, share one thought about Coyote Peterson's cave painting video. And that is the directions for today.